Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this video, we are going to start introduction of recommendable books of computational physics, which will be followed or utilized in our upcoming video lectures. Okay, dear students, actually, computer science has no independent existence. Okay, it is just a branch of physics. Okay, it is just a branch of physics. In this course, that is computational physics, we will deal with books about computing, programming, and numerical analysis. In mathematics or BS mathematics program, numerical analysis is a major subject of mathematics. Okay, but in physics, numerical analysis is not a separate course. It is just a part of the course computational physics. Okay, so what I have said that in this course we will deal with three types of books. Okay, one type of books will be about computer or computing. Okay, second type of books will be about programming. Okay, and third type of books will be about numerical analysis. Okay, dear students, this is enough lengthy list of books, and definitely some of these may be overlapped. Okay, because actually this course is relatively less primary nature. It is an optional course usually, uh, which is offered in last semester of BS physics. Okay, some students take it, and some students in place of this course take other courses like solid state physics, advanced electronics, etc. Okay, anyhow, we start our first book of this folder, which has been saved in my computer since long. This book, which is being opened, consists of 322 pages, 322 pages. Okay, now this book has been opened. Yes, book has been opened. Now I increase its page size. Okay, 75. Now it is 100. Okay, okay, yes, dear students, computational physics, Richard Fitzpatrick, professor of physics, the University of Texas at Austin. Okay, computational physics, Richard Fitzpatrick. Okay, Richard Fitzpatrick, Fitzpatrick, Fitzpatrick. Pronunciation may differ. Okay, now we move towards its contents, and then sometimes the preface is given after. Okay, we take a look at its contents. Okay, Contents. First chapter is introduction. Second chapter is scientific programming in C. Scientific programming in C. Then third chapter is integration of ordinary differential equations. Okay, integration of ordinary differential equations. The chaotic pendulum. Okay, the chaotic pendulum. Chapter number 5, Poisson's equation. Chapter number 6, the diffusion equation. Chapter number 7, the wave equation. Chapter number 8, particle in cell codes. Particle in cell codes. Chapter number 9 is Monte Carlo methods. Monte Carlo methods. And this is the end. Okay, and on 9th chapter. Okay, its index page number is not given. However, we move a little forward. Scientific programming in C. Okay, it is enough. We close this book. First book has been gone through. Okay, dear students, this is the second book of my folder of computational physics. Okay, this is the second book. An introduction to computational physics, Tao Pang, Cambridge University Press. Okay, T-A-O Tao, P-A-N-G Pang, Tao Pang or Tao Pang. Okay, probably, hopefully, this author may belong to China, because such names usually appear in such countries. Okay, an introduction to computational physics. An introduction to computational physics, Tao Pang or Tao Pang. Okay, now we take a look at its contents. An introduction to computational physics, second edition, Tao Pang, University of Nevada, Las Vegas. Okay, dear students, I do not know about such things. Okay, Tao Pang or Tao Pang, an introduction to computational physics, Cambridge University Press. Tao Pang, 2006. Okay, this book was published in 2006. 2006. We see whether if it is second edition, then 2 years should be given. Okay, yes, this is second edition. Okay, if this is second edition, then definitely 2 years should be given. 1 year of first edition and second of second edition. Okay, however, here only 1 year seems clearly, that is 2006. Okay, first published in print format 2006. Anyhow, we do not go in this detail. Okay, this is quite immaterial thing. Okay, contents. Now we come toward its contents. Okay, contents. Chapter number 1, introduction. Chapter number 2, approximation of a function. Chapter number 3, numerical calculus. Chapter number 4, ordinary differential equations. Chapter number 5, numerical methods for matrices. Chapter number 6, spectral analysis. Chapter number 7, partial differential equations. Chapter number 8, molecular dynamics simulations. Okay, molecular dynamics simulations. Chapter number 9, modeling continuous systems. Chapter number 10, Monte Carlo simulations. Chapter number 11, genetic algorithm and programming. Chapter number 12, numerical renormalization. And in the end, index is given at page number 381. 381. Okay. 381, preface to first edition. Here it will become clear in which 2 years. No, here year is not very clearly given. Anyhow, we move further and see any information about these 2 years, that is 1 year of first edition and second. No, okay, now we are going to close this book, despite the fact that we have failed in finding the years in which these 2 editions were published. Okay, this is the third book. Oh no, sorry, yes, this is just overlapping. Here again Tao Pang has appeared, but in a slightly different manner. Okay, so dear students, next book consists of 149 pages, and now we open this book and see this 149 pages book. Okay, yes. Introductory Computational Physics, Cambridge University Press. Okay, Introductory Computational Physics, its publisher is Cambridge University Press. Okay, Introductory Computational Physics. Now we move to its contents. Okay, Introductory Computational Physics, Andy Klein and Alexander Gondunov. Okay, difficult to be pronounced, to be spelled. Okay, anyhow, Andy Klein, Andin Klein, Andy Klein, and second author is Alexander. To the extent of Alexander, probability of mistake is very less. However, second part of the name of second author is slightly unusual. Okay, Godunov, Godunov. Okay, so we leave this. Cambridge University Press, year of publication 2006. Okay, 2006. Now we move towards its contents. Okay, introduction, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, basics, chapter number 3, short introduction to Linux, chapter number 4, interpolation, chapter number 5, taking derivatives, chapter number 6, numerical integration, chapter number 7, solution of non-linear equations, chapter number 8, differential equations, chapter number 9, matrices, chapter number 10, random processes and Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, and then reference, and then appendix, and then index will be given. Yes, index is given at page number 137. Okay, index at page number 137. Index at page number 137. Okay, now we are going to close this book. Okay, next book consists of 523 pages, and its year of publication is 2012. A survey, title of book is a survey of computational physics by Rubin Landu. Okay, Rubin Landu. So after opening this book, we will say further on this book. Okay, we will say more on this book. Okay, so this is the situation. Python multimodal e-textbook beta 4.1. Okay, a survey of computational physics, introductory computational science. Okay, a survey of computational physics, introductory computational science. Its authors are three. Okay, Rubin H. Landu, Manuel Jose Page, and number third Christian C. Bordinu. Okay, dear students, if I am pronouncing these names incorrect, then it is much better to pronounce these names in this way in place of not touching these books. Okay, at some subsequent stage I may pronounce their names exactly correctly. Okay, Manuel Jose Paez, Page, Christian C. Bordinu. Okay, Bordeianu, Bordinu. Now we move further. Copyright 2012. Okay, this book was published in the year 2012. Now we move to its contents. Okay, contents. Chapter number 1, Computational Science Basics 1. Chapter number 2, Errors and Uncertainties in Computations. Chapter number 3, Visualization Tools. Chapter number 4, Python Object Oriented Programs, Independence and Batons. Okay, chapter number 5, Monte Carlo Simulations, Non-Thermal. Chapter number 6, Integration. Chapter number 7, Differentiation and Searching. Chapter number 8, matrix equation solutions, data fitting. Chapter number 9, differential equation applications. Chapter number 10, Fourier analysis, signals and filters. Chapter number 11, wavelet analysis and data compression. Chapter number 12, discrete and continuous non-linear dynamics. Okay. Chapter number 13, fractals and statistical growth. Chapter number 14, HPC hardware tuning, parallel computing. Okay. Chapter number 15, thermodynamic simulations, quantum path integration. Okay. Chapter number 16, simulating matter with molecular dynamics. Chapter number 17, partial differential equations for electrostatics and heat flow. Okay. Chapter number 18, partial differential equation, waves, string, quantum packet, electricity and magnetism. Okay. Chapter number 19, solutions and computational fluid dynamics. Chapter number 20, integral equations in quantum mechanics, and then glossary, then something more, and index is given at page number 503. Okay, index is given at page number 503. Index is given at page number 503. Okay, now we move to next book. Okay, next book consists of 526 pages. Okay, 526 pages. 526 pages. Yes, this is the book. Okay. Computational Physics, Problem Solving with Computers, Enlarged e-textbook Python 3rd edition. Rubin H. Landu, Manuel Jose Page, Christian C. Bardi. This is the previous book, okay, but here its style is different, okay. Anyhow, we leave it. This is just overlapping, okay. Next book consists of 656 pages, and this is 1990 edition, okay. Book was published in the year 1990 and consists of 656 pages, okay. Yes, this is the situation. Hmm. Dear students, its authors are Stephen E. Koonin and other author is Don C. Meredith. Okay, Computational Physics Fortran version. Okay, Stephen E. Koonin, one author, other author is Don C. Meredith. Computational Physics Fortran version. Computational Physics Fortran version. Okay. Computational Physics Fortran version. Stephen E. Koonin, Don C. Meredith. Okay. Westview publisher. Okay, its publisher is Westview. From here, its year of publication will be found. Yes, copyright 1990. Okay, this book was published in the year 1990. Then preface was written in May 1985. Okay. Dear students, there is enough difference between the year of publication and writing preface May 1985 and 1990, about 5 years difference. So definitely this book may be written in some other language in 85, and then in 1985, and after 5 years in 1990 this book may be translated into other into English language, okay. Hopefully it is not very much clear. This is just my opinion, okay. Preface to the Fortran edition, August 1989, okay. How to use this book? Yes, now we come toward its contents. Chapter number 1, Basic Mathematical Operations. Chapter number 2, Ordinary Differential Equations. Chapter number 3, Boundary Value and Eigenvalue Problems. Yes. Chapter number 4, Special Functions and Gaussian Quadrature. Chapter number 5, Matrix Operations. Chapter number 6, Elliptic Partial Differential Equations. Okay. Chapter number 6. Now chapter number 7. Parabolic Partial Differential Equations. Okay. Now we move towards chapter 8, but there is no chapter number 8. Yes, chapter number 8 was hidden behind camera setting. Okay, dear students, I am using Filmora software Uh, so chapter number 8 was actually hidden behind camera setting. Now it has appeared. Chapter number 8, Monte Carlo methods. Okay. Chapter number 8, then appendix, then appendix, then index is given at page number 631. 631. 631. Okay. 631. At page number 631 index is given. Okay, dear students, next book consists of only 129 pages, and this is a 206 edition. But dear students, perhaps I do not remember why here a rejected word is written, so I do not open this book. Okay, there may be something that I have saved this book along with the word rejected. Okay, computational physics. Anyhow, we open this book and see what is the deficiency in this book that I have not preferred this book. Okay, computational physics, Professor Matthias Treyer. Oh yes, this is perhaps web notes, etc. Anyhow, its contents: chapter number 1, introduction; chapter number 2, classical few body problem; chapter number 3, partial differential equation; chapter number 4, the classical n body problem; chapter number 5, integration methods; chapter number 6, percolation; chapter number 7, magnetic systems; chapter number 8, the quantum one body problem; chapter number 9, quantum n body problem, quantum chemistry methods; chapter number 10, the quantum n body problem, exact algorithms. And so dear students, definitely some deficiency exists in this book, due to which I have saved this book along with the word rejected. So actually, in my opinion, I have written the name rejected because its publisher is not available. It is just web based notes. Okay, anyhow, dear students, the next book consists of 638 pages. Okay, 638 pages. 638 pages. Yes, this is the situation. Okay, computational physics, J.M. Thijssen. Okay, dear students, once again, difficult name, unknown name, very unusual name, second edition. Okay, computational physics, J.M. Thijssen. Thijssen. Okay, J.M. Thijssen, second edition, Cambridge University Press. Computational physics, second edition. Computational physics, second edition, John Thijssen. Okay, computational physics, second edition, Jos. No, yes, John, no, not John, Jos. Jos Thijssen, Jos, Jos, Thijssen, Jos Thijssen. Okay, we have nothing to do with the name, we have only to do with the contents of this book. Okay, Cambridge University Press, 2000. Yes, J.M. Thijssen, 1999 and 2007. Okay, because this is second edition. So first edition was in the year 1999 and second in 2007. Okay, it is further written that first published 1999, reprinted 2003, second edition 2007, third printing 2012. Okay, not third edition, third printing in 2012. Okay, now we move towards its contents. First chapter, chapter number 1, introduction. Chapter number 2, quantum scattering with a spherically symmetric potential. Chapter number 3, the variational method for the Schrodinger equation. Chapter number 4, the Hartree-Fock method. Chapter number 5, density functional theory. Chapter number 6, solving Schrodinger equation in periodic solids. Chapter number 7, classical equilibrium statistical mechanics. Classical equilibrium statistical mechanics. Chapter number 8, molecular dynamics simulations. Chapter number 9, quantum molecular dynamics. Chapter number 10, the Monte Carlo method. Okay. Chapter number 11, transfer matrix and diagonalization of spin chains. Transfer matrix and diagonalization of spin chains. Chapter number 12, quantum Monte Carlo methods. Chapter number 13, the finite element method for partial differential equations. Chapter number 14, the lattice-Boltzmann method for fluid dynamics. Chapter number 15, computational methods for lattice field theories. Chapter number 16, high performance computing and parallelism. Then appendix and index is given at page number 613. Okay, index is given at page number 613. Okay, now we open next book, which consists of 740 pages, and this is second edition. Okay, and it was published in the year 2016. Okay, 2016 second edition, pages 740. Dear students, this is the situation. Computational physics using C++. Computational physics using C++. Once again, a difficult name. Okay, Constantinos N. Anagnostopoulos. Okay, please help me in pronouncing it correctly. Okay, Constantinos N. Anagnostopoulos. Okay, I have tried my best. Okay. Computational physics, a practical introduction to computational physics and scientific computing using C++, Athens 2016. Okay, Konstantinos N. Anagnostopoulos, National Technical University of Athens. First published 2014, second edition 2016. Okay, now we move towards its contents. Okay, chapter number 1, the computer. Chapter number 2, kinematics. Chapter number 3, logic map. No, logic, not logic, logistic map. Chapter number 4, motion of a particle. Chapter number 5, planar motion. Chapter number 6, motion in space. chapter number 7 electrostatics, chapter number 8 diffusion equation, chapter number 9 the enharmonic oscillator, okay. Chapter number 10 time independent Schrodinger equation, chapter number 11 the random Walker, chapter number 12 Monte Carlo simulations, chapter number 13 simulation of the d equal to 2 model, okay. Chapter number 14 critical exponents, and then index, not information about index anyhow. Last chapter is chapter number 14, okay. And then bibliography at page number 705, okay. So we should move to next book. Next book consists of 676 pages. It is first edition, having been published in the year 2014, okay. 2014, 676 pages. Dear students, it seems that perhaps this book has been overlapped or mistakenly. Yes, it is a mistake. This difficult name we have previously tried to, actually dear students, here difference is perhaps that in previous book which we opened, there was written Athens 2016, okay. So that may be the second edition and this may be the first edition, okay. So only edition is different, remaining things are same, so we do not go in further detail, okay. We move to next book, which consists of again this book is appearing third time perhaps, okay. The only difference is here that book which we opened last time, it had pages 676, and the same book which now we are opening has pages 674, okay, 2 pages less. Now we see what is the case with these 2 pages. 2 pages difference, otherwise this book has been okay. Yes, this book has been opened previously, but 2 pages were less, okay. This is the situation. We should not go in further detail. This thing has become clear. And now next book is of 682 pages, Athens 2016. Once again and again that book is coming. I do not know what I have done with this book. Anyhow, I have saved this book in my computer again and again due to different number of pages, okay. Dear students, this is the same book, but it has pages 682 pages. Anyhow, we leave this. And dear students, next book consists of 994 pages, and this is 6th edition, having been published in the year 2010, okay. 2010, 6th edition, 994 pages, okay. 6th edition, numerical methods for engineers, Stephen C. Chapra, Raymond P. Canale, okay. Dear students, this book for students of BS mathematics, this book is more important than students of BS physics, okay. Because actually I have remained a student of MSc mathematics 3 times about. There is a course numerical analysis, okay. This book is very important with reference to that course, okay. Numerical analysis paper name, course name, and this book is taught there uh, primarily. Okay, Stephen C. Chapra, Raymond P. Canale. Okay, numerical methods for engineers, 6th edition, Stephen C. Chapra, Raymond P. Canale. McGraw Hill Higher Education, this is the publisher, and this book was published in the year 2010. Okay, 2010. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, chapter number 1, mathematical modeling and engineering problem solving. Chapter number 2, programming and software. Chapter number 3, approximations and round off errors. Chapter number 4, truncation errors and the Taylor series. Then chapter number 5, bracketing methods. Chapter number 6, open methods. Chapter number 7, roots of polynomials. Chapter number 8, case studies, roots of equations. Okay, chapter number 9, Gauss elimination. Chapter number 10, LU decomposition and matrix inversion. Chapter number 11, special matrices and Gauss Seidel. Chapter number 12, case studies, linear algebraic equations. Chapter number 13, one-dimensional unconstrained optimization. Chapter number 14, multi-dimensional unconstrained optimization. Chapter number 15, constrained optimization. Chapter number 16, case studies optimization. Chapter number 17, least square regression. Chapter number 18, interpolation. Chapter number 19, Fourier approximation. Chapter number 20, case studies, curve fitting. Chapter number 21, Newton-Cotes integration formulas. Chapter number 22, integration of equations. Chapter number 23, numerical differentiation. Chapter number 24, case studies, numerical integration and differentiation. Chapter number 25, Ryung-Kuta methods. Okay, Ryung-Kuta methods. Chapter number 25, Ryung-Kuta methods. Okay, chapter number 26, stiffness and multi-step methods. Chapter number 27, boundary value and eigenvalue problems. Chapter number 28, case studies, ordinary differential equations. Okay, chapter number 29, finite difference elliptic equation. Chapter number 30, finite difference parabolic equations. Chapter number 31, finite element method. Chapter number 32, case studies, partial differential equations. And then index is given at page number 955. Very important book, very important book with respect to course computational physics. Computational physics for BS physics students and numerical analysis for BS mathematics students. Okay, next book consists of 987 pages, and this is 7th edition, having been published in the year 2015. Okay, this is again Chapra numerical methods, which we opened last time, but definitely there will be some difference, and now after opening it will become clear what is the difference between these two books. Okay, dear students, I think perhaps there is no difference. 7th edition, perhaps edition is different, or number of pages is different. However, this is the same book. We move a slide forward and then we will quit this book. we will abandon this book. Okay, 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 okay. Seventh edition, numerical methods for engineers, Stephen C. Chapra, Raymond P. Canale. Okay, seventh edition, Stephen C. Chapra, Raymond P. Canale, McGraw Hill, year 2010. No, yes, 2010. And yes, dear students, actually here the case is that years of publication are given as 2002, 2006, 2010, 2015. Okay, anyhow, addition is different, remaining things are same, so we will not bother about this different addition. Okay, yes, now we can safely close this book and move to next book, which consists of 166 pages and is the fourth edition. Okay, now we open this book and see. Dear students, this is the situation. Okay, lectures in basic computational numerical analysis. Okay, lectures in basic computational numerical analysis, J.M. M.C. McDonough, J.M. McDonough. Okay, actually perhaps here again proper publisher is not given. This is perhaps just web based notes. Okay, anyhow, if contents are helpful and relatively easier, then it does not matter whether the book has a proper publisher or it is just web based notes. Okay, we have to examine the clarity of contents. Okay, clarity of contents is our primary concern. Okay, otherwise copyright, publisher, web based address is of secondary importance. Okay, this is not our primary importance. Okay, lectures in basic computational numerical analysis, J.M. McDonough. Its copyrights are given as 1984, 1990, 1995 and 2001. Okay, these 4 years. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, numerical linear algebra, solutions of nonlinear equations, approximation theory, numerical solutions of ordinary differential equations, numerical solutions of partial differential equations, and then references are given at page number 159. Okay, now we can move to next book. Next book, dear students, is 1992 edition and it consists of 1018 pages. Okay, we open this book and see what is the problem with this book. Okay, numerical recipes in C, the art of scientific computing, second edition. Okay, numerical recipes, you know, recipe is an arrangement of cooking. Okay, chef usually deals with this thing. Okay, numerical recipes in C. C means C programming, the art of scientific computing, second edition, William H. Press, Saul A. Tukolsky, William T. Wetterling. Okay, again difficult names, Brian P. Flannery. Okay, 4 authors: William H. Press, Saul A. Tukolsky, William T. Wetterling and Brian P. Flannery. Okay, William H. Press, Saul A. Tukolsky, William T. Wetterling, and Brian P. Flannery. Okay. Cambridge University Press. Copyright, dear students, this book was published in the year 1988 and 1992. And however, further years are also given. Numerical recipes, software, 1987, 88, 92, 97, 2002. Okay, anyhow, we move to contents. Preliminaries: solution of linear algebraic equations, interpolation and extrapolation, integration of functions, evaluation of functions, special functions, random numbers, sorting, root finding and non-linear sets of equations, minimization or maximization of functions, eigensystems, fast Fourier transform, Fourier and spectral applications, statistical description of data, modeling of data, integration of ordinary differential equations, 2-point boundary value problems, integral equations and inverse theory, partial differential equations, less numerical algorithms, and then index is given at page number 965. Okay, this is preface. Okay, June 1992 preface was written, and another preface to the first edition. We see in which year this was. Okay, yes, this is October 1985. This was written and signed in October 1985. Okay, we move to next book. Okay, dear students, next book consists of 1262 pages, and this is third edition. Okay, after opening this book, we will be able to comment more on it. Okay. Yes, students, this is again the same book which we opened last time, or perhaps second last time, but the only difference is that addition may be different. Okay, moreover, first page design is different. Anyhow, numerical recipes, the art of scientific computing, third edition, all the four authors are same, which we saw in previous Cambridge University Press. Yes, now we numerical recipes, the art of scientific computing. Okay, same book which we opened previously, but definitely there must be some difference between these books. Okay, either with respect to number of pages or with respect to addition. However, all the four authors are same, book title is same, remaining everything is same. Okay, so third edition. Okay, all the four Cambridge University Press. Yes, its years of publications are given as 1988, 92, 2002, 2007. Okay, so only addition is different, remaining okay, preface to the third edition 2007, preface to the second edition 1992, preface to the first edition 1985. Okay, now Dear students, this is the next book which consists of 1407 pages, and this is fourth edition, having been published in the year 2008, and its author detail and detail. Okay, here is this situation. Okay, fourth edition, Internet and World Wide Web, how to program user generated content. Okay, fourth edition, Internet and World Wide Web, how to program user generated content, Web 2.0, etc. Its author is Detail. Okay, PJ Detail and HM Detail. Okay. Virtual University has taught this book in their course Introduction to Programming, and Professor Dr. Naveed has taught this course. Okay. However, dear students, I do not want to comment any more at this point. We move further. Internet and World Wide Web, how to program, fourth edition. How to program. Okay. Pearson Prentice Hall is the publisher. 2008. This book was published in the year 2008. Okay. Internet and World Wide Web, how to program, fourth edition, PJ Detail, HM Detail, Pearson Prentice Hall. Okay. Contents. Okay. Introduction to computers and the internet. Web browser basics, Internet Explorer and Firefox. Chapter number 3, dive into Web 2.0. Okay, part 2, the Ajax client. Okay, introduction to XHTML. Chapter number 5, cascading style sheets, CSS. Chapter number 6, JavaScript, introduction to scripting. Chapter number 7, JavaScript control statements. Chapter number 8, JavaScript control statements 2. Chapter number 9, JavaScript functions. Chapter number 10, JavaScript arrays. Chapter number 11, JavaScript objects. Chapter number 12, document object model, DOM, objects and collections. Chapter number 13, JavaScript events. Chapter number 14, XML and RSS. Chapter number 15, Ajax enabled rich internet applications. Okay. Part 3, rich internet applications, client technologies. Okay. Chapter number 16, Adobe Flash CS3. Okay. Chapter number 17, Adobe Flash CS3, building an interactive game. Chapter number 18, Adobe Flex trademark TM2 and rich internet applications. Chapter number 19, Microsoft Silverlight trademark and rich internet applications. Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. Okay. Part 4, rich internet applications, server technologies, web servers. Okay. Chapter number 22, database SQL, MySQL, ADO, Net 2.0 and Java DB. Okay. Chapter number 23, PHP. Chapter number 24, Ruby on Rails. Chapter number 25, ASP.NET 2.0 and ASP.NET Ajax. Chapter number 26, Java Server TM Faces Web Applications. Chapter number 27, Ajax Enabled Java Server TM Faces Web Applications. Chapter number 28, Web Services. Part 5 appendix, and then we see index at which page. Index is given at page number 1338. Okay, next book consists, oh yes dear students, next book is again by detail 2016 edition. It has pages 1006, but this is quite different book. Okay, quite different. Yes, this is the case. Okay, global addition. How to see how to program. See how to program global addition. See how to program with an introduction to C++. Okay, 8th edition. Global addition. See how to program with an introduction to C++. 8th edition. Paul Dittel and Harvey Dittel. Pearson is the publisher. Okay, see how to program 8th edition, global edition with an introduction to C++. How to program it, Dittel, Pearson. Okay, 2016. This book was published in the year 2016. Contents. Okay, introduction to computers, the internet and the web. Okay, introduction to C programming, structured program development in C, C program control, C functions, C arrays, C pointers, C characters and strings, C formatted input output, C structures, unions, bit manipulation and enumerations, C file processing, C data structures, C preprocessor, C C. Chapter number 14, other C topics. Chapter number 15, C++ as a better C, introducing object technology. Chapter number 16, introduction to classes, objects and strings. Chapter number 17, classes, a deeper look, throwing exceptions. Chapter number 18, operator overloading, class string, object oriented programming, inheritance, object oriented programming, polymorphism, stream input oblique output, a deeper look, exception handling, a deeper look, introduction to custom templates. Now we come towards index. Index is given at page number 984. Dear students, next book consists of 1535 pages, and here again author is Dittel, but it is 9th edition. Okay, previously 8th edition was under discussion, consideration. Okay, dear students, this is the case with 9th edition. ninth edition. Detail Java how to program ninth edition. Paul detail, Harvey detail. Okay. 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 Paul detail, Harvey detail. Okay. Java how to program ninth edition. Okay. Year of publication. Yes. Dear students, its years of publication have been described as 2003, then 2005, then 2007, then 2009, then 2012. Okay. Now, introduction to computers and Java. Introduction to Java applications. Introduction Introduction to classes, objects, methods and strings. Control statements. Arrays and array lists. Classes and objects, a deeper look. Object oriented programming inheritance. Object oriented programming polymorphism. We leave this. Okay. Contents are almost now. Dear students, here once again 10th edition, detail pages 1245. Okay, we open this and see what is the difference here. This is the situation here. Okay, what difference? Only the addition difference. 10th edition. Okay, previously we had seen 8th and 9th edition. Okay, detail Java how to program 10th edition, early objects, Paul detail, Harvey detail. Okay. 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 Online access. 10th edition, early objects. 10th edition, early objects. 10th edition, early objects. Paul detail, Harvey detail, detail. Okay. 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 Dear students, its years of publications have been described as 2009, 2012 and 2015. Okay. Now we see, yes, introduction to Computational Java, introduction to Java application input output. Okay, we leave contents. Okay, because only addition is different. Otherwise, next book consists of 1000 pages, and here again detail 6th edition 2010. Here we see what is the difference. Dear students, this is the situation here. Okay. Okay. Detail how to program 6th edition. See procedural programming, control statements, program development, functions, arrays, pointers, strings, files, structures, unions, making a difference, exercises, bit manipulation, enumerations, data structures, game programming, C99, GNU, GDB, Visual C++, debuggers, C++, object-oriented programming, C++ as a better C classes, objects, overloading, inheritance, polymorphism, templates, exception handling, PAL detail, Harvey detail. Okay, sixth edition, sixth edition. Okay, okay. Here 2010 year of publication. Previous years will also be given, but we are not interested in this discussion. Okay, see how to program sixth edition. Okay, now we should leave this. Okay, we are going to next book. Okay, next book consists of only 103 pages, and this book was published in the year 2017. Okay, 2017 2017 2017. This is the book which we are now going to open. Okay, okay. So dear students, this is the situation here. Okay, yes, this is the situation. Okay, Paul A. Necroshes, Introductory Computational Physics using Python. Paul A. Necroshes, Introductory Computational Physics using Python, January 2017. Okay, Paul A. Necroshes, Introductory Computational Physics using Python, January 2017. Okay, preface was written and signed in January 2017. Paul A. Necroshes. Chapter number 1, first chapter, brief introduction to latex, Python basics, kinematics, 1 and 2 dimensions, references at 93 page. Okay, and now yes, we are moving to next book, which consists of 340 pages. Okay, we see what is the situation here. 340 pages. Dear students, this is the situation here. Numerical modeling and design of electrical machines and devices. K. Hamiar and R. Bellmans. Actually, dear students, this is also related to numerical analysis, and numerical analysis is the major part of computational physics, in addition to computing and programming. So definitely this book is included in the list of books relating to computational physics. Okay, numerical modeling and design of electrical machines and devices. K. Hamier and R. Bellmans. Okay, Hameyer, Hamier and R. Bellmans, Bellmans, Bellmans. Okay, WIT press, WIT press. Now numerical modeling and design electrical machines and devices, advances in electrical and electronic engineering. Okay, 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 okay. Contents, preface. Okay, we leave this, and now we move to next book, which is the third edition, having been published in the year 2017. 2017, third edition. Okay, dear students, this is the situation here. This is Springer edition. Okay, graduate texts in physics. Graduate texts in physics. Philip O.J. Scherer. Again, difficult name and simple people to pronounce them. Okay, graduate texts in physics. Philip O.J. Scherer. Philip O.J. Scherer. Philip O.J. Scherer. Computational Physics. Simulation of Classical and Quantum Systems. Third edition. Springer is the publisher. Springer is the publisher. Philip O.J. Scherer. Computational Physics. Simulation of Classical and Quantum Systems, third edition. Springer publisher. Okay, now we see years of publication. Okay, years of publications have been described as 2010, 2013 and 2017. Okay, okay, preface to third edition was signed in March 2017. Okay, preface to the second edition was signed in February 2013. Okay, preface to the first edition was signed and written in April 2010. Okay, Philip O.J. Scherer. Philip O.J. Scherer. Numerical methods, contents. Okay, error analysis, interpolation, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, systems of inhomogeneous linear equations, roots and external points, Fourier transformation, time frequency analysis, random numbers and Monte Carlo methods, eigenvalue problems, data fitting, discretization of differential equations, equations of motion, simulation of classical and quantum systems, rotational motion, molecular mechanics, thermodynamic systems, random walk and Brownian motion, electrostatics, advection, waves, diffusion, non-linear systems, simple quantum systems, variational methods for quantum systems, and then index is given at page number 627. 627. Next book consists of 536 pages, and this book was published in the year 2011. 2011. Dear students, this is the situation. Morton Hjort Jensen. Okay, once again difficult name and a simple person to pronounce this difficult name. Okay, Morton Hjort Jensen. Morton Hjort Jensen. Computational Physics. Lecture notes. October 14, 2011. Actually, this University of Oslo, 2011. Okay, we leave this. Okay, Next book consists of 478 pages. Again, same author, only number of pages are different. Okay, Hijot, etc. This is the previous book, but okay, computational physics, Morton, Hijot, Jensen. We leave this book. We leave this book. Next book consists of 103 pages and its edition is 2012. Okay, book was published in the year 2012. Okay, okay, first we reduce its size, then it will be easier to read. Okay, computational physics using MATLAB. Computational physics using MATLAB. Computational physics. Here author is not clear to table of contents. We move to next book, and this is the last book of our computational physics series. This book consists of 581 pages. 581 pages. 581 pages. Okay, dear students, this is the situation here. Theory of computation and introduction. Okay, theory of computation and introduction. Theory of computation and introduction. Author's name is James L. Hayne. James L. Hayne. H-E-I-N. Hayne. H-E-I-N, maybe Hayne. James L. Hayne. Okay. Theory of computation. Theory of computation and introduction. James L. Hayne. Bones and Bartlett Publishers. Year of publication is 1996. Very poor condition of printing. 19. Okay, this is the author's years are given, date of birth and date of death, 1910 to 1991. Okay, elementary notions and notations, constructions and structures, formal logic, computational logic, regular language and finite automata, context-free languages and push-down automata, Turing machines and equivalent models, computational notions, computational complexity. Index is given at page number 563, and this is the end of our video. In next time, from next video, we will appear along with the list of introduction of books on nuclear physics. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.